Yeah, brother, so she sent me a location out her yard, me a pre for go, you know, you did.
How you plan to reach up there?
Yeah, you know, say one of them out driver taxi, them me a text still.
Yeah, out driver.
Yeah, they must say they must be there about 2 minutes away or so.
You have to know you do the taxi service there, no dog, and be things, me I hear them a go on with no killer.
Yeah, how we are here?
Yeah, you see a taxi man they on the loose, dog, and pick up people and rob them and I take for them money and them things, they bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, dog, and me I hear say him not take with woman, a man alone him take we and go rape them. I push him body in them ears and them look fuck.
How we are say?
Yo, are you call the taxi?
Yeah.
Alright, forward now.
My driver, you know, so me don't even bother in the vibes to go up on the road still.
Alright, but the money still a come out your account, you know.
Alright, give me a sec, give me a sec. Yo, the taxi forward, you know that.
I'm rich.
Yeah, dog, you must say if I don't go in a taxi and still I'll take your money out of my account, so you know that go down.
Alright, damn, don't tell you a thing, you know, them a take for the man, them and a rape them, you know, that.
Once your man charge you, we not shake, you know.
Yes, I show
We
you.
not shake, you not charge you.
Yes, I show you the meds,
I
bro.
hurt, we hurt people, you know. You know that thing.
Dark and dangerous, so I know that already charge it. The militancy
I
and
hurt
confidence do
people.
it in the blood.
Where your head, man.
Must make me know when you reach, bro.
If anything, just me send him a location and you just call the police, you know, just in case.
Police.
Just I said, just in case. Alright, relax, Tommy, relax. Don't panic, yeah? Just sit down, ease yourself. And I'm gonna drive you the girl there and then you just have a fuck out there. That's it, simple, just relax. Easy, yeah? Just easy, yeah. Yo, away my look on myself. Away my pray. Away my try program. Yo, panic. Don't relax, cause that guy I'm okay, no blood. Guy I'm okay, no dog, away my pray.
Yo, I owe that man that was in the back of my car. One day if I rob him, I try to rob him. Jano star, I just get that car, you know.
How the fuck you look on me so every minute? Away my do check me out. Yo, I shouldn't come in at that car, you know. I shouldn't come in, as a matter of fact, I jump through the window.
Oh, yeah, it's the AC on. He knows the AC on and still a wind on the window. You see? I rob him, I try to rob me, you know.
Bumbo cloud, the man I try to lock me in a car for fuck me off, you know. Yo, a good thing me ever have it, you know. Good thing me ever have it. No, make no boy burn up my body, you know, yo. That me I tell you, any little funny movements, I must get it.
Jano star, man. Be a traffic up on the road, you know. Me have to go through Cherry Garden and come around. Come on, open and drop him off, you know.
Yo, where am I go? The GPS said that road they will fuck up on, you know. Yo, I hate this, you know. Come and now, man burn up my body, you know.
Yo, I hold the man that moves so extra shaky. Me a drop from my knife, you know. Come now, me that man take my car, you know.
Yo, what you do, brother? Blood. What you try?
I just try to protect myself.
Protect yourself from what?
Blood clot.
Hurry up, you try,